Hi, I'm Carolyn and welcome to the Moffat channel. Today we're going to talk about the Turbofan E31D4 convection oven, the perfect utility oven which comes ready to plug and play. This model is a 4-shelf tray capacity and it takes a 1x1 GN pan. With its compact footprint, it fits perfectly into small spaces and is more versatile in terms of your menu items. The large, easy to see digital panel has you in control. It's easy to use and can hold up to 20 programs. This model has a single directional low velocity fan, which means it's perfect for the more delicate food items like pastries, quiches and soufflés. Tucked away inside is a 2 kilowatt grill element, so choosing the grill mode means the perfect au gratin can be now on your menu. It's ideal as a primary oven in a smaller establishment or even a feature oven in front of the house. It's suitable for all size catering, school canteens, cafes, bistros, pubs and clubs. The choice is endless. Made locally in New Zealand, these ovens are made with a vitreous enamel oven liner, cooking consistently every time and making it easy to clean. If you want to know more information about the E31D4 Turbofan oven or any other Moffat products, visit us at moffat.com and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.